everybody, what's up? Life is Eva here, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna go ahead and do this look for you guys. So I decided to do this tutorial. I posted this look on my page, and Miss Sarah, my beautiful lovely Sarah Sanchez, commented, I need a tutorial for this look. So this tutorial is now here. I really enjoyed doing this look. This is honestly a minimalistic look. You guys can, not minimal, like not super minimal, but it's minimal, you know, for me, I guess. If you guys try to recreate this look, don't forget to tag me. I want to see what you guys could do. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Me doing the eyeshadow is a voiceover, and then I'll talk to you guys at the end when I'm doing my base and all of that fun stuff. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you at the end. To start off, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the P. Louise base in Rumor 2 to prime my eyelid, and going in with the blending brush, I'm gonna dip into Mary from the James Charles palette. We're gonna tap that, blend that, and dab that onto our crease and blend that out. And we're gonna also extend it just to make us look like we have cat eyes. We're gonna look like lionesses. We're gonna look very Leonas. But anyways, now dipping into Boutique, I'm gonna go ahead and darken up the shade and the crease. So as I'm blending that out, is it just me, or am I the only one having skin problems right now? Like, I don't know what's in the air or whatever, but my skin's been weird, and look at me trying to do an up and close and personal video. Are you kidding? Psh, whatever. So now it's time to cut the crease. I'm gonna go in with the P. Louise base again, and honestly, take your time when it comes to this. I'm only doing a half cut crease, not a full cut crease, since we're gonna go ahead and darken up that outer V with darker colors. Also, I didn't include of me setting my eyelid, but I set it with a white shade with Mary mixed together. Now after that, I'm gonna go in with Boutique and Spooky, which is the black shade in the palette, to darken up my outer V. So during this, I did add a glitter to my eye look, but I honestly didn't like it. I didn't feel like it was too boom bop extra like I would like it, so I kind of left it out. Now that we have our eyes done, now it's time for our base. So for our base today, we're gonna go ahead and use the LA Girl Pro Matte High Definition Foundation mixed with some L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Finish Wear Foundation. These two together are honestly bomb. They make an amazing baby, and I love it. So now that our foundation is on, now it's time for some LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Espresso, and we're gonna go ahead and cream contour to the gods, and we're gonna make ourselves look snatched and like a snack. So now that cream contour is over, now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Concealer. Honestly, this baby, amazing. It's a great concealer, full coverage, has hyaluronic acid in it, and you know what hyaluronic acid does to us, doesn't it? It makes us thrive, ladies. It makes us thrive. And now it's time to blend. So this is basically a mix of powders that I put together, and honestly, this mix is pretty good, and it's bomb. Alrighty guys, so I am done with the look. So I put on the lashes from Candy Lash by Dulce Michelle. I use the ones in Toxica. I really love these lashes. These are bomb. Honestly, just like Don't play. So for lips, I used Anastasia Beverly Hills in Starfish, as well as Sweet Tea from Morphe. You know that's my favorite lip combo. And also to make my lips glossy, I used the Rose Hemp Oil Lip Gloss, also from Candy Lashes. So go ahead and check them out. I'm really loving this look, vibing it. I used this like little yarn sweater moment with my bamboos. I'm loving this. I'm loving this look. I'm loving all of this. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell button, because if you're seeing this video right now, that means there's many more videos to come. So hope you guys have a great day, night, or whatever time you guys are watching this. See you guys soon.